In 15 years of business, we've discovered that the savings available from reprocessing essential clinical commodities are significant and far, or maybe even counterintuitive, how much money a hospital can save. Our research indicates that an average hospital can save $1,058 per bed per year. That's significant money. And that's only with our existing suite of offerings. We're adding more devices to our protocols, we're adding more services. Hygia differs from the traditional model of reprocessing in that we don't focus on OR-based devices. We focus on devices that are used in the ER, ICU, post-anesthesia, acute care. So our devices, the essential clinical commodities that we're focusing on, are used throughout the hospital. Everything from pulse oximeter probes, compression sleeves, blood pressure cuffs, infuser bags. We do a variety of braces. We do somnetics sensors. Really, we do about 13 different families of medical devices that can help hospitals save hundreds of thousands of dollars and provide significant green benefit. As we are branching out and we're offering more services, kind of what we intend to do at Hygia is help hospitals manage the patient room at patient discharge. Hygia employs a series of quality measures designed to make sure that all of the devices sent back for reuse to a hospital are 100% functional. We functionally test every single device that we recover before we send it back to a partner hospital, which means if it's an inflatable device like a blood pressure cuff or a compression sleeve, Hygia will inflate that device, make sure it holds pressure, make sure it doesn't leak, make sure it meets an OEM spec. If it's an electrical device, for instance like a pulse oximeter probe, we plug it into a simulator. We get 3 different readings to make sure that that device meets all standards before it sends back to the hospital. Almost everything that we collect is a non-invasive device. Most of these devices come from the original equipment manufacturer, the OEM, as non-sterile. So we replicate those conditions. A compression sleeve or a blood pressure cuff generally does not require sterilization in a hospital. So Hygia uses a variety of disinfection technologies to accomplish high-level disinfection, HLD. That's deemed appropriate by APIC and AORN and CDC and all of the appropriate regulatory agencies for our target devices. It's a faster process, it's a less expensive process, it is a more environmentally friendly process. Now, where appropriate, we will use ethylene oxide on a device that needs to be sterilized. So we have the ability to make those determinations and use the most appropriate process to provide the most benefit to our partner hospitals. Our FDA-cleared protocols allow for more device returns than anyone else in the industry. Perhaps even more importantly, all of our protocols at the hospital for collection are designed to maximize staff compliance. So if we collect more devices on the front end, we're able to send more devices back at a discount on the back end. So everything from one-stop shopping at a container, everything from immediate unit level reporting of staff compliance, everything from 2-week turnaround, so the devices that are collected from a hospital are sent back into the supply chain within 2 weeks, which reinforces that collection model. All of those things are designed to deliver the most savings possible to our partner hospitals. We enable hospitals to impact green in 2 ways. One's monetarily, the other is environmentally. We offer the ability for hospitals to save literally hundreds of thousands of dollars in hard dollar bottom line savings by reprocessing a set of benign non-invasive devices while concurrently displacing all this waste that would have gone to landfills. So really the benefit, we call it green squared, the benefit is twofold, a monetary benefit and an environmental benefit. Well, if I'm a hospital CFO and I look at a solution that can provide $1,058 in savings per bed per year, compounded over years of partnership, we're easily high 6 figures, low 7 figures in hard dollar bottom line savings with no change in process, no change in devices. Just do something, the staff simply performs a different operation at the end of the life cycle of that device. Put it in our container instead of putting it in the trash can. We do all the rest, and those savings compound over years and years in partnership. Our best customers, who have been with us 14 or 15 years now, have literally saved $10 to $15 million over the life of our partnership. Hygia provides what we call a Q-cubed or Q3 process, which means for our partner hospitals, we want a quality relationship with the hospital, meaning easy on the staff, provide documented savings. We want a quality process in our lab, which means we adhere to all FDA manufacturing process guidelines and quality system regulations to make sure we have a strong product at the end. Then we want a quality experience ultimately for the patient. We want the patient to realize the benefit of a quality device.